In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use UI kits in Figma. If you are designing interfaces in Figma, UI kits are a huge time saver. They bundle pre-built components like buttons, navigation, bars, tabs, and form elements so you can design consistently and quickly without reinventing the basics. Let's walk through how to find them. Bring them into your workspace and use them as libraries across your files. Start by opening Figma. From the home page, head to the Community section. This is where creators and official teams publish design resources. In the search bar, type the kind of kit you need. Terms like iOS or material design work great. You will see results with previews and descriptions. Take a moment to scan for official publishers and recent updates so you know you are getting accurate, up-to-date components. When you find a kit you like, open its page to review what's included. When you are ready, click Open in Figma. This duplicates the kit into your own file browser so you have your own copy. You can now open that file, explore the pages, and inspect how components and styles are set up. Figma also provides built-in official kits you can enable directly as libraries. To do that, open any file, then go to the left sidebar and switch to the Assets tab. At the top, click the libraries icon. It looks like a small book. This opens the library's modal here. You'll see official resources, such as Apple Design resources, as well as any kits you duplicated from the community. Toggle on the ones you want available in this file. Enabling a library doesn't copy everything into your document, it simply makes those components and styles available to use, which helps keep your files lean and consistent. Now let's use a kit as a library. With your file open, stay in the Assets tab. Once the library is enabled, you will see its components listed and organized into categories. You can search by name or browse folders to find what you need. To add something to your design, just drag and drop a component like a button, a navigation bar, or a card straight onto your canvas. Because these are components, you can adjust them through the Properties panel to switch variants, sizes, or states without breaking their connection to the library. That connection is helpful for maintaining consistency, since updates to the library can flow into your files when you choose to accept them. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.